because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our beach home. So this is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum and powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It has a huge runtime of up to 65 minutes and comes with several swappable heads for different surfaces. So we got this vacuum for a couple of different reasons. First is we've got different types of floors, and we wanted something that vacuumed effectively on all of them. Second, we've got kids who are constantly making messes, but they often drop stuff on the ground like food and crumbs and other stuff that are just heavier to pick up. So we needed something that was powerful enough to pick up that heavy debris. And three, because we're right next to the beach, which is great, but we're always tracking in sand and dirt and debris and snacks all the time. So we just wanted something that would also effectively remove the sand from our furniture, our carpet, and our rugs, and also like the little bit of debris and dirt that also comes when, coming home from the beach. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads and cyclone, starting with the motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, and tile. It's also been fantastic for even using it on our furniture as well. Then you have this crevice nozzle, and this is great for picking up fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas. Then you have this 2-in-1 brush. Simply pressing the button here retracts back or protracts forward the brush head, which is good for like removing dust from dusty surfaces and furniture, but it's also really great for getting into like the corners or crevices of like furniture and seat pillows and that kind of stuff. Then you have this extender wand that by pressing this button here extends or shortens the wand, transforming it from like a stick vacuum to a full-blown upright handheld vacuum. And finally, you have the cyclone. First, you have this little button here that if you press, releases the dustbin door to empty out the dustbin. But if you press on this button here by the handle, it allows you to remove the dustbin completely to wash out and rinse. It'll also provide access to the filters. Then to access and then clean the filters, you simply remove the dustbin and then yank on this little pull tab here to remove the filter. You'll also want to unlock this part here by turning it counterclockwise to get access to the second filter as well. Then you'll take these parts, you'll run them under water and rinse them off, let them air dry for like 24 hours, and then simply insert them back in, wedge them into place, and you are good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then just by pressing this trigger, it'll activate the cyclone and illuminate the LCD screen to show you how much power you have left and what mode you're working in. And if you press this button here, it'll switch it from eco mode to turbo mode to turbo deluxe boost mode. A couple of the fun features is that on eco mode and an empty dustbin, I can vacuum the entire house, all floors in one session. And what I'll do is occasionally switch it to turbo boost mode to pick up heavier debris or crumbs and stuff that's, like larch and carpet or rugs or even the furniture. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can, and then what you'll do is you'll just pull this trigger here. It'll swing the door open, and then just by giving it a couple of pats, and if necessary like a grab or two, it empties out the dustbin and the remaining debris, and then you simply just close the lid until it locks into place, and then you're good to go. Charging it is pretty simple as well. Simply plug it into this little port found here, and if you're still attached to the cyclone, it'll actually illuminate the LCD screen, indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%, but then you can also remove the battery as well to charge separately from the cyclone for further convenience. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues. It works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tiles. It takes up like 4 hours to charge the battery, but allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great, especially for the length adjusting wand, because now I have my kids do all of the vacuuming, and I'm teaching them while we're on vacation to clean up their own messes at the same time. So that's my product overview of Lirios's Q5 Pro cordless stick vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out.